This is from May 2016, paper 1. Take a moment, read through the problem, attempt it, pause the video, and turn it back on when you're ready to begin. So this question is asking about sublimation, and sublimation is a phase change. So I've got a whole bunch of things going on over here. Our three main states of matter are solid, liquid, and gas. So those are my phases, and I'm looking at phase changes. So we know the easy ones. Solid to a liquid means that we're melting. Liquid to a gas, we can call that vaporization. The process is boiling. Vaporization, it becomes a vapor. Gas to a liquid is called condensation. And in gas or liquid to a solid, we know very well in Minnesota, freezing. Okay, those are the common ones. We also have sometimes where a solid will become directly a gas, skipping the liquid phase, or a gas could directly become a solid, skipping the liquid phase. And so we've got solid to a gas, that's sublimation, that's what this problem is asking about. And then if we're thinking gas to solid, that's called deposition. So those are our phase changes. So this one's asking specifically sublimation, so we are going from a solid to a gas. That's what it's asking us about. So we can look at our different problems here. It's looking at a phase change, not a reaction. In this first one, that's a reaction. That's having two different things forming a new thing. That's not a phase change. It's an actual reaction. In B, we're going from a solid to a gas of the same thing. So that looks like our answer, but let's do a double check. Let's check the other answers just to be sure. I to gas going down to a solid, that's this deposition that we were talking about. And then finally we have calcium carbonate reacting with hydrochloric acid to form calcium chloride, carbon dioxide, and water. This is also a reaction, so both of these are actual reactions, not phase changes. And just as a little review for us, because it's always good to review these things, anytime we have a carbonate with an acid, we have an acid reaction, we can predict the products, and we see them here. So this is my salt. Here's my CO2. There's my H2O. Those are the products that we'll always get when we have an acid and a carbonate. Little side note there. So B, sure enough, was the correct answer, and we are done.